can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the general cryptocurrency market. There's still extreme fear in the cryptocurrency market with Bitcoin trading below $100,000. Ethereum trades around $3,100. Market participants are scared. This is the lowest value of fear and greed index we have seen in 2025. In this video, we'll take a look at the general cryptocurrency market, what we should expect in the coming days and the coming weeks. Are we going to start dumping to gobbling town? The fear in the cryptocurrency market makes market participants start asking the question, is the bull market cycle over? Are we in the start of a great bear market? How low can we go? We'll look at total crypto market cap, Bitcoin, the king of the cryptocurrency market, and we'll pay attention to Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance looks like it's going to start dumping to gobbling town. You know what that means for the altcoin market. A big pump is around the corner. We'll talk about liquidation in the cryptocurrency market. We'll also look at news stories going around the market. How bearish are market participants? How bullish should you be? We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. When it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. Let's start with the king of the cryptocurrency market, Bitcoin. Currently trading around $95,000. Bitcoin has sent fear rivaling around the cryptocurrency market. Market participants are scared to the bone. $95,000 Bitcoin is not what we expected to be seen in the month of November. When we were pumping to new all-time highs in October, market participants would have expected us to be at $150,000, maybe $170,000 by now. But what the market has done, it has gone the opposite direction. We have seen a decline in the price of Bitcoin. Bitcoin has gone down 26% since when we hit that all-time highs of around $126,000. Bitcoin has dropped to as low as $94,000. A lot of market participants were saying we'll never see Bitcoin below $100,000, and it didn't take up to 4 months for Bitcoin to come below $100,000. And then there's another factor. Bitcoin has closed below its 50-week moving average. Historically, when Bitcoin closed below its 50-week moving average, that's a sign that the bull market is over. If you look at what Bitcoin has done since November of 2022, we saw Bitcoin grind towards the 50-week moving average, and since when Bitcoin went above that 50-week moving average on the 13th of March 2023, Bitcoin has held it on a clear line. Yes, we saw Bitcoin coming back to test it in April of 2025, but right now in November of 2025, guys, Bitcoin has closed a weekly candle below the 50-week moving average. I'm one of those market participants that believe we're getting very close to the end of the market cycle, and I strongly believe the closer we get to the end of the market cycle, the more we see outrageous behaviors from market participants. And one of those behaviors I'm expecting is altcoins pumping. We've been on Bitcoin dominance case for quite a while right now. Major market participants are expecting it to pump to the moon. I have been of the fact that I expect Bitcoin dominance to dump to gobbling town. Bitcoin dominance has been on a decline since the 27th of June 2025. Bitcoin dominance went from 66%. We saw it getting to as low as 57%. Right now, Bitcoin dominance is at 59%. In the coming days and the coming weeks, guys, I will expect Bitcoin dominance to have a sharp decline. That decline will see the altcoin market pumping. That decline will see a lot of altcoins going parabolic. I've seen a lot of altcoins over the last 1 week, over the last 2 weeks, trying to show some signs of life. Telcoin is there, Zcash is there, Dash, Decred, Internet Computer. In the next few days, I expect the whole market to join the party. In the next few days, I expect to see a huge decline in Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance could go lower than that 56% region, maybe even getting to as low as 50%. A 12% decline in Bitcoin dominance will send the altcoin market flying. You have to picture it this way, guys. Bitcoin has gone below its 50-week moving average. That's a telltale sign there's trouble in paradise for the bull market. If you look at total crypto market cap, still around the $3.2 trillion level. The next rally should see the total crypto market cap maybe rally to new all-time highs. The next rally should see the total crypto market cap, excluding Bitcoin, also have a very great time, maybe pumping to new all-time highs. But trouble is going to come with Bitcoin. I don't think Bitcoin will get to new all-time highs. From the strong opinion that Bitcoin's market cycle has stopped. Yes, there's always that possibility that Bitcoin might rally towards $130,000, $32,000. Just to fake a lot of market participants out, you have to think like the composite man. But right now, all things being equal, Bitcoin has shown us a clear sign that maybe, just maybe, the cycle is over. And what's funny, guys, about this Bitcoin dump is that this is the lowest dump we have seen for Bitcoin since when Bitcoin started this rally in November of 2022. We have seen a lot of dumps along the way, but most of those dumps were around 20 to 30% declines, and those dumps didn't see sentiment go this negative. But right now, Bitcoin has only just dumped by around 27% from its all-time highs, but sentiment in the market is very negative. There's extreme fear in the cryptocurrency market right now. Last month there was extreme fear. Last week there was fear. Yesterday there was extreme fear. Right now there's extreme fear in the cryptocurrency market. That's what you expect from market participants. A lot of market participants are in the Bitcoin. A lot of market participants are holding Bitcoin. A lot of market participants are expecting Bitcoin to lead the way. So as Bitcoin dumps further, you expect to see fear in the cryptocurrency market. But if you're holding Zcash, if you're holding Dash, if you're holding Telcoin, you're holding ICP, right now you're singing Kumbaya. Right now you're not in fear. You're wondering why other market participants scared. In the coming days and coming weeks, guys, expect to see sentiment shift towards neutral, towards greed, towards extreme greed. I'll not be shocked to see sentiment quickly swing back towards greed. Just on the 5th of October 2025, we saw greed in the cryptocurrency market bordering on extreme greed. On the 5th of November 2025, 1 month later, the whole cryptocurrency market was already in extreme fear. The market swings between those two extremes, extreme greed and extreme fear. I expect to see altcoins doing very well, and the more altcoins pump, the more the cryptocurrency market is going to drift towards extreme greed. If you look at Ethereum, the biggest altcoin we have in the cryptocurrency market, it held its 50-week moving average. I expect Ethereum to bounce. Hopefully, this is a time we'll go towards that $5,000 level. Maybe we'll even go above $5,000. But one thing I'll be looking out for Ethereum will be that bearish divergence. Will be Ethereum price setting new all-time highs without the RSI getting to new highs. If I see that telltale sign happening, I see sentiment in the cryptocurrency market going towards extreme greed, we see Bitcoin dominance dumping aggressively, and we see market participants expecting one more pump to the upside, guys, that will be the sign to run for the hills. Remember, the rally doesn't last forever. You're playing a game here. The game is against other market participants. Your number one job is to buy as low as possible and to sell as high as possible. You have to buy when there's extreme fear in the cryptocurrency market, and when extreme greed returns back to the cryptocurrency market, you want to sell for some sweet profit. If you look at the market from a broader sense, from a broad perspective, guys, you will see that this has been a bull market. Bitcoin has rallied from the lows. The total crypto market cap has rallied from the lows. Ethereum has rallied from the lows, Solana has rallied from the lows, BNB, and most altcoins in the top 10 have had their own time in the sun. For the total crypto market cap, we saw it going from the $713 billion level, getting to as high as $4.26 trillion, which is around a 495% move to the upside. All this happened over the course of 3 years, and historically, cryptocurrency markets bull market cycle lasts around 3 years. Then the 4th year, we see big dumps gobbling town. Will this time be different? Let's look at liquidation in the cryptocurrency market. In the last 24 hours, more than 151,000 traders have been liquidated. Total liquidation is coming in around $619 million. Largest liquidation happened on Hyperliquid. One trader lost $30 million. Be careful out there, guys. You don't want to lose your hard-earned money. That blow off top is still coming. The bulls are getting wrecked. The bulls got wrecked by $394 million. The bears got wrecked by more than $224 million. I'll be expecting more bears to get wrecked. I'll be expecting a big pump to the upside in the altcoin market. In Bitcoin, if you look at what Bitcoin has done in Q4, Bitcoin is down 16% in Q4. Ethereum is down 23% in Q4. The month of October has not been kind to Bitcoin. Bitcoin is down 13% in the month of October. I'm expecting Bitcoin to end in the month of November. I'll be expecting Bitcoin to end November on a very bright note. I'll be expecting to see a big pump for Bitcoin and total crypto market cap to end the month of November. And if you look at the meme coin market, the meme coin market also had a huge beating. The last 7 days I've seen double-digit losses across the board in the meme coin market. But this one sector I'm paying attention to historically. This is the final signal before the market goes to shit. This is the final signal before everything comes crashing down. When the meme coin market is pumping, that's when you know that the market is overheated. But right now, the meme coin market is not yet pumping, and the total crypto market cap by market capitalization is still unchanged. Look at the top 10. Bitcoin is still the king of the market. Even though Bitcoin is down 16% over the last 60 days, Ethereum, king of all coins in the cryptocurrency market, is down 29% in the last 60 days. Guys, in the coming days and coming weeks, I'll expect to see more market participants getting confused. Right now, if you go and look at news stories going on in the cryptocurrency market, Bitcoin briefly erased 2025 gains as crypto bleed over the weekend. All the gains were accrued in 2025 have been erased by Bitcoin. I will expect to see more negative sentiment in the early parts of this week, but as the markets will start pumping higher, as we see all coins start recovering aggressively, expect to see market participants, one, start FOMOing, two, start calling it a dead cat bounce, and by the time there's a general agreement that the bull market is back, that might just be a time to run for the hills. It looks like the 4-year cycle theory is still in play till we see Bitcoin giving us a very, very good reaction. If not, maybe just maybe the 4-year cycle is in play. Maybe just maybe we're heading for Goblin Town. But crypto executives speculate on what to blame as Bitcoin slumps under 94K. Remember, guys, you can't blame anybody. The market was pumping to the moon. We're not looking for why it was pumping, or we're not looking for who to blame while we're pumping. Right now, it's dumping to Goblin Town. That's just what the market does. It dumps, it pumps, it dumps, and it pumps. When it dumps, there's fear in the market. When it pumps, there's greed in the market. The way you make money is by buying when it dumps and by selling when it pumps. When are we going to see altcoin season? According to the altcoin season index, we still have some days or some weeks to go. The only way we can see an altcoin season if 75% of the top 50 coins perform better than Bitcoin over a 90-day period. Right now, Bitcoin is down 15% over the last 90 days. I will expect more altcoins to outperform Bitcoin the next 30 days. If you look at the altcoin season index on a monthly time frame, you will see that yes, Bitcoin is down 10%, but a lot of altcoins can really do better than that. And in the coming days and the coming weeks, that's where most of the focus is going to be. That's where I'll be paying attention to the altcoin market. Altcoins are already showing some early signs popping front, left, and center. I'll not be shocked if the whole market rallies aggressively, outpacing Bitcoin, getting to new all-time highs. Guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Bitcoin dominance below 60%. Bitcoin, the king of the market, below $100,000. Ethereum still yet to touch $5,000. What altcoins are you buying in the coming days and coming weeks? Do you believe in altcoin season? Do you believe the cycle is over? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.